What's good, DJ? What's up? It's Wednesday, June 4th. Time is currently 1:13 p.m. Wednesday, NFP Wednesday PM session about to kick off. All right, we didn't have no DJ yesterday nor this morning, and I'll explain in a second. Let's zoom this bitch in. I saw yesterday our internet was down here, so I traded, but like I just traded the morning session, didn't do the PM session. I took three losses. I took my max loss on one account and ended up losing another account. Don't know. Top Steps like trailing thing is a madness. So it's like it trails your highest equity. So wherever the highest equity is, you can't get below 2K below that. And obviously I haven't been paying attention to it, which is on me, my fault anyway. So actually lost more than I should have lost. So ended up losing one account. But I had a free reset. So this is my last go on this account after this month. If and when this month is over and neither one account has been passed, that's it on my um prop firm career. Well, Top Step career anyway, for the time being anyway. So anyway, internet was down, didn't get to record trading morning session yesterday, but it was a beautiful day to collect data anyway. The trade, we'll talk about it when I get into price action. But yeah, this morning I had to do a airport run, so I traded it a little bit actually. I took a trade this morning, but I couldn't stay for the full morning, so I didn't want to record for like an hour or whatever. So I just traded, and then when I had to leave, I had to leave. But anyway, we're back. We're here. It's Wednesday PM session of NFP week. So remainder of the week will be a tape reading session. We're done trading for the week. It's my alarm to let me know the PM session is getting started. Let's go. Arrived at my desk at like 1:13. Okay, as always, my weekly target is 5% and my daily target is 500, which we hit today. Well, 400, I think we ended the trade on. Mental check-in, feeling generally okay. Excited to see what price action has in store for us today in this wild, wild west of NFP Wednesday. So yeah, excited to go and get 1% better and collect data. Risk disclaimer: I accept any risk going into trading today. I understand that trading comes with real risk and that losing is part of the game. News: we've had news this morning. We have a medium impact news coming out at 2 p.m. All right, so we've had news today, making an optimal day to take a trade. Risk going into today won't be taking any trade, so no need to determine any risk. I'm done trading. Yeah. We'll start that new one next week, I guess. Yeah. Sorry. Not pressed to buy. Yeah. Weekly condition going into this week was a buy program. Let's go ahead and review price action to see if anything's happened to change that weekly program for us. Dollar still tanking, which is good. Risk on scenario. All right. I'm in Q. Heading up. Okay, as you can see, this daily discount arrays, all right, did their job, keeping price higher. Next draw is buy side here into potentially this inefficiency outside of the weekly, into digging deeper into this weekly order block. So yeah, not for my current understanding of price action, nothing's really happened in price. If anything, is confirming my weekly program. Okay, so once we take this high, I would want to see if this CB here becomes an inversion and keeps price higher, which it should because it's creating a very different level. I'll pay attention to that. Yeah, so let's go ahead and note key highs and lows, figure out our dealing range for the PM session and talk a little bit about yesterday's trading and this morning's trades. As you can see, this was the outcome of this morning's trade. Yesterday was a complete loss. Yesterday was actually hit maximum loss on that one trade and I just didn't trade anymore. What am I looking for? Performance stats. Yeah, this was the results yesterday. As you can see, it was just the one trade I took was a first setup, right? Took that maximum loss and I was like done on that account. And then, oh well, this is a new account now. It's not gonna show the old one because I lost it. Some dumb shit, man. That's how it did. I don't know. I'm so thrown off the prop thing. It's crazy, man. But once I'm done with this one, like that's it, man. No more prop shit for me, bro. Get my own money, my own account, do my own thing. Cause this shit right here, they got too many rules and regulation. Anyway, this morning trade, this is the trade I took this morning. Textbook, obviously, opening dealing range was here at the time of that trade. Oh, at the time of the trade, I already broke out dealing range, the buy side post 930. Okay, we have a daily high here, swing high, displacement below it, fair value gap here. That was the trade. Gave me two partials, okay, failed to make it to the third one, and we moved to break even, came to take us out at break even. But while we was in there, I saw this buy, but I wanted to gain it up here, but like obviously analyst says entries here on the one M1 still would be in that trade, by the way. So we're watching this one to see how it does for the remainder of the PM session. But anyway, that was the trade this morning. Beautiful textbook. Enjoyed it. So yep, this is not key highs and lows there. Swatching it on here as well. So for this morning AM session, sell side is the same. We have sell side as 10 a.m. Well, 11 and 10. 11 is the buy side. Lunch hasn't been confirmed yet, but so far, same. Let's get AM session buy side on a 15-minute. So the 930 is the same as opening range. So let's make that. And we're just waiting on lunch to be confirmed here. Dealing range remains the same as it currently is. Morning we came to morning we came to take out dealing range on the sell side. So this was the, oh my god, this was the original dealing range here for the morning. Took the buy side, and then we came to take it down sell side, and he gave us a buy, set up and discount in the 1 minute. Was clean on the 1 minute, so yeah, it was a fair trade. I just didn't get in it because I was like, I'm ready in the trade, and this seems like a perfect good setup though, but I should have just got in. But it's all right. I'm happy that I got to tape read it and watch it. It hasn't panned out and done anything yet. First partial would be up here, so we'll still would be in that trade. Let's get our times ready to go. But yesterday was a real test, man. Was a real test. Like I was in the trade. We had the sell model one, right, which turned into post 9:30, which turned into a buy model two. And I was in there, right? But like I misplaced my stop loss, which was on me, completely my fault. Came to take me out, and then ended up skyrocketing the remainder of the day. Like it was nice to watch, but like it was like, damn it. I made a rookie mistake there, but I had no one to blame but myself, so I had to eat that one. So after that, I just sat out the market really and truly for the remainder of the day, just to soak in that. And plus, the other account was already at max loss, and I lost that account with that trade. So there was nothing else I could do, really and truly. Well, I could have kept trading. I'm proud of myself. I could have kept trading. I could have jumped back on even with a 471 with $30 left and been like, yeah, I'm good to take a trade. But I controlled myself, so I'm happy about that. Not worried about the losses at all. As long as I'm learning from them, I'm fine with them. Because with all the losses I've come, that's how I've got to where I'm at from taking all them losses. Because every loss I'm like, how do I make sure that never happens again? This would be going on. I don't want to get used to this shit because I won't be trading on this shit for too long. But now it's doing its job, I think I've got everything. Hmm. I'm waiting for this to get taken and for this to be an inversion. Let's see. Oh, let's get a snap day. Range. Mhm. Hey, 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 was my screen? What happened to my screen? Oh, what is going on? Can you see me? I know you can see me, but can you see the screen now? Oh, bad. I can live with those numbers. Showing signs of improvement out here in these streets. I'm actually excited for the remainder of the week to be tape reading. It's kind of exciting. Not, not to have the pressure of a trade on, because I'm not at the point, that, it still, weighs on me a little bit. It's coming down, but like it's still there, still in the beginning phase. So PM session about to kick off in premium of the daily range. Yeah, this morning we kicked off in the premium too, and then took buy side, daily range buy side. Oh my goodness. First partial still up here, so itching there. We still would be in that buy, so well, won't stay too long. Since it's just a tape reading session, won't stay too long. We'll see a good trade, and then that'll be it for us. Yeah, higher one. News at 2 p.m. It just didn't give you the opportunity. Just ain't do it. If I'm ending the week, $800 up. I'm happy with that. But this prop thing, these rules that Top Step got going on, that shit is for the birds. Cannot wait to not be trading them no more. I can trade regular. Golly. Trading in these conditions as a newbie? So deflating. That's the purpose of it, right? 2, 3, 4. Post 130, this is the so. All right. So want to see this keep price higher now? Buy more than 2 in a premium. You have buy side above price, so expecting this inversion fair value gap. Wouldn't be tagged in there yet. Well, lunch is confirmed for sure. We have low as 12 p.m. High as 1:30. Give you the opportunity, doesn't give you the opportunity. Dead or alive. taking lunch, AM session. Didn't give us the opportunity, didn't give it to us. This one is in effect though. Oh, day trading. Who knows, maybe the 2 o'clock news will push it up somewhere. Let's see, it's coming up. Launch low is the same, but the high will be the current 1 p.m. candle. So let's get launch showing on. So Aiken dealing range to the buy side and what buy side is that? Lunch AM session buy side on a 15-minute. Now they're in effect though, but there wasn't an effect before it came into- That's where first partial is out from the morning trade. So let's see if it's gonna get smash or ruby or not. They had to shut down the computer at that time. Shit, god damn. Tiny one there. Nope. Want to see that CVT price down now? Here, stop would be here, so let's pay attention to that and see. Supposed to keep price lower, so let's see. 2, 3, 4 plus fair value gap here. We've been taking out that by the way. So don't want to strain my eye, right? Well, less than 10 seconds away from becoming a minute trade. All right, be tagged in that, and you begin tagged in that inversion for value gap. Post news trade here. New dealing range. Yeah, psych. It's just a regular sub. Be out of my hands now. This partial still hasn't been hit yet. This buy right here, just up here. Be this low. Oh, what are you saying? Turn me around, bro. What are you saying? Turn me around, bro. All right, all right. I was just getting ready, so shit, always be prepared. I did open range, right? 1:30, 2 p.m. Who's that sell side at the 1 p.m. candle then? Where is that from? Oh, uh. Got that market structure shift there, taking opening range buy side, breaking out of dealing range to the buy side. Let's close this bitch out. Wait, this bad boy down here. Still a hit first partial, yeah. It's crazy, isn't it? Anyway, sell here. Nope, I'll spare belly cap. And let's buy him. Glad I ain't trading in this boy because we mad lost. But being trades though. This is definitely something I'll be waiting for. Thinking out here, so this would be the stop on this buy here. This one will. Nope. Dead or alive. We're gonna end it here soon. Post 250 micro will be done. So I can go to the gym quickly before my game. Get that leg workout in there. Cause I'm only fourth official. I won't really be running. Doing fourth official duties, isn't it? Track of serves, goals, cautions. And that trade would have been a long lost trade, but you still would be in there though. That would be all the way from here. Trying to get to Your first partial still ain't hit you yet. It's 5. The 6 should be 5. No, that's 5. Yes, more. So we'll be ending the week losing one account and up $800 on this week. This is just a madness, isn't it? Although no parts of this still would be in this trader. 250 Mac. All right, so you begin taking all that. First partial here. This will be a break even. The last level we need to pay attention. Watch we'll be if I'm not gonna pay attention to it. It's open on the south side. Yeah, this is ugly stuff here. There's subs in there, but like it's ugly, bro. Right, you're gonna get to first partial. If and when we hit first partial, we'll be done here. Is here from that 10 a.m. trade. Oh, you'll be getting taken out that trade there, break even. This one here. Yeah, this is ugly, wild, wild west. Ugly, wild, wild west. Anyway, let's talk about yesterday's morning's trade. Tell you my revelation, DJ. Yep. So 9:30 open. We opened here. We took dealing range to the buy side, swing high, key high, displacement below, market structure shift, fair value gap. I engaged in this trade. This is where I lost the 470 something at. Fair enough. No worries. Took a loss. Okay. Market structure shift here. I'm anticipating this CB here to become an inversion fair value gap and keep price higher, which it did. All right. I set my limit. I think it was a 30-second entry, but anyway, it was somewhere in here. I don't want to say it was somewhere in here, but like if I go on the 30 seconds chart, it would have been up in here. And I put my stop right here. As you can see, it came and took me out. My stop should have went here, but I was like, risk wise, I don't know if I want to go down here. Let's go right here because it's below. And there was on the 30 seconds, there was another swing. This was the second swing low, but anyway, comes and takes me out. All right. And then goes my way all day, all day. And we had I didn't even trade PM session, but we had a nice counter trend trade here on the PM session, a sell on the second chart. And that was pretty much, we had this buy here, and that was pretty much it for yesterday. You know, we would have done a little something before coming to take you out. Yeah. Yeah, and that was my day yesterday, man. Amazing, amazing stuff. First trade, bing bang bosh. Trader made a mistake. All right. She takes full accountability. All right. Analyst was screaming at the trader. Trader said, nah, I got this. I got this. You ain't got shit, my guy. This is my show. Let me lead. How many times you gotta go out on your own and mess up and realize that I'm leading this show? I'm the lead dancer. This is my show. This is the analyst show. Once you're in front of these charts and candlesticks, analysts run things. We not run the analysts, all right? But anyway, this is ugly stuff. I'm gonna head out of here today. I'm gonna do a trade performance review for yesterday and today, and then be done for today in this wild west, beginning of this wild west action. So next couple of days we'll be tape reading and really just talking through the markets and our model, and just making sure, just watching to see if our setup forms, if it pans out. If it pans out, what does it give us? If it doesn't, does it give us a buy model or sell model too? By the way, that would be the plan for the remainder of the week, and then the week up about $800 on one combine and restarting another combine. So crazy stuff. But yeah, what I did well today and yesterday is that I showed up, okay? Even though there was no internet, outside influences, external influences tried to stop me, but I made that happen, put my hotspot on, just needed it to trade, and that's pretty much it. Even though I took losses, it was still a great lesson. Actually, it was a good data collected yesterday, actually. But yeah, showed up powerfully both days, got 1% better, gained experience, learned lessons. Okay, showed discipline and sticking to my risk management and my trade management, following the model, the procedures and protocols. So I'm very pleased and happy with my performance in the past 2 days, collecting data, growing my analysts, getting better. Okay. Well, for sure would be both days would be my wake up time. Okay. I've been waking up at 7:50 something for the past for this whole week, really and truly, I'll say. So it'll be my wake up time. Did get to get my morning routine in though. So oh, yesterday yeah, yesterday I got my morning routine in as well. Okay, so but yeah, wake up time will be the only thing I think I fell short. And another thing I fell short would be between yesterday and today would be not being aware of the account, right? Like I said last time when it happened to me, I'm gonna take control of that, but I still haven't taken control of that. And the same things happened to me, not being aware of how much I had left to play with on my account. So I need to be, this is my business. I need to be aware of how much money is left in the inventory or in the deposit. So I don't like blow out like I did yesterday, unnecessarily. If I knew, obviously, then I would have took risk wise, I would have reduced risk on that account going into the trades. So yeah, that's on me. I take full accountability. This is the second time it's happened. That's it now. It won't happen again. And DJ, you can slap me up the arse if it does, all right? You can give it to me, all right? But yeah, so that's why I say I fell short. How I can improve for next day, next trading session is keep doing what I've been doing, keep collecting the data. Okay, keep showing up, seeking to get 1% better, seeking excellence. Keep following my procedures and protocols. Keep being disciplined in managing risk and following your trade management. And obviously, capital preservation is our number one job here. So yeah. How else? Another thing I can do to improve for next day, next trading session is at the end of the day or at the end of the week, just be aware of where I'm at in the account or the combined money wise in terms of, how much money I have left to play with, where I am in terms of, the amount of money left, and, trade accordingly, right, in terms of managing risk properly. So yeah, I need to get better on that. There's no excuse there. That's fully like 100% my fault. And yeah, Nobody I can blame for that. But yeah, anyway, moving on, right? I need to, at the end of the day, at least pay attention to the money, all right, and see where I'm at and how much I have left to play with, so I can preserve the account and not have what I had happen like twice now. Okay, happen again. Okay, so yeah. Anyway, that'll be it for me. Very like choppy, but still there's still setups in there, but very like choppy and not clean. And this is a sell here, clean stuff during the micro, you know. But yeah, so this, I'm happy. I'm happy I wasn't trading in this because that would have been like getting whipsawed back and forth because there's clean setups either way. But it's like, eh, not clean at all though, really and truly, is it? But yeah. That's it for today. Tomorrow, NFP Thursday, we've got news. Okay. High impact news at 8:30, medium impact news at 10:30. Just 8:30 here. So we got news. We'll be here tape reading. Not demo trading because we don't have demo accounts here. So we'll be here tape reading, gaining experience and gain 1%. But even though we're not taking any trades, we're still going to be in front of the market. So we can gain that experience, okay, and get 1% better. See how price is during NFP, non-trading days. And just get a feel for it, okay, and confirm why we're not trading these times, right? But yeah, DJ, that'll be it for me today. Catch you tomorrow at 9:15 kickoff, okay? Very pleased and happy with my performance so far. It's been an incredible journey, and where I'm at is where I've been longing to get to for a while. I'm still not at the pinnacle of where I can be, but it's a great start to what I know I can become as a trader. So very happy, very pleased. And yeah, that's it for me, DJ. Catch you tomorrow on the flip side. You already know what it is. I'm the trader signing out. Good luck, good trading, and happy hunting.